A very good morning, everybody. Today is a day in India and all the neighboring countries, a day for celebrating Guru Purnima. So, as all of us know, especially for the viewers watching from abroad, Guru is someone whom we look upon to, right, for their contribution. So, today is a day called Guru Purnima, where we pay respect and gratitude for all the gurus from academics and also the spiritual gurus. So on this day, I thank from the bottom of my heart all the gurus I had in my academic times in school, college, and especially my spiritual gurus. So I would like to acknowledge two special spiritual gurus, Dr. Yuvraj Kapadia and Dr. Atman Parmar, who had a major contribution to my life in terms of my spiritual awareness. And there are other gurus also who have contributed. Nowadays we have the YouTube gurus also. So there are some gurus like Jerry and Esther Hicks of Abraham Channeling and Jaki Vasudev Sadguru. So these are also my YouTube gurus who have contributed a lot to my life. So I also thank them from the bottom of my heart for all the awareness and the contribution that they've had in my life. Well, just to mention one more YouTube guru who has really contributed, and that is Sister Shivani from Brahma Kumari, which is a spiritual organization having worldwide presence. So I really thank Sister Shivani also for all the awareness and contribution she had to my life. So friends, now what I want to share is, the scope of gurus, as the definition of guru has actually expanded for me in the recent years. Today, for me, it is even my coaches, my trainers, okay, who have touched my life, made a difference to my life, especially coached, counseled, shown me, empowered me, okay, during my tough times. So I would like to acknowledge two coaches in my life. One is Venugopal Dharmarajan, okay, who's really played the role of a guru for me, okay, by empowering me always and also empowering me when I have had my tough times. So Venugopal Dharmarajan is a life coach, and he's also the ex-staff member of Landmark Education Worldwide. Next, I would like to acknowledge, there's one more friend who was acted as a guru for me, and that is Vicky Kalra. Vicky Kalra is a management consultant in my city in Mumbai. So he's played a very big role also in terms of actually empowering me when I was going through tough times, and also sharing a lot of awareness. So Venugopal and Vicky, so happy Guru Purnima to you. Next is, again, to take it a little deeper. For me, ultimately, all the people who have contributed to me, who have taught me a lesson, okay, life lesson, are also gurus, right? It's even the animals and birds for me are my gurus. Especially my lovely pet dogs, which I had in my teenage. They really taught me, really valuable lessons in life. So I also thank even those entities, the animals, the birds, okay, the people who have actually contributed to my life. See, even people who might have given me tough or bitter experiences. Later, when I look back, I realize that even the people who may have tormented me, right, who might have caused trouble for me, were also a guru in a way, because they really taught me some very valuable life lessons. So, from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every person who have been in my life and taught me lessons. So happy Guru Purnima to all of you. Well, I take this opportunity to share just one last, concept, or you can say insight about the word guru. Maybe even today we have our coaches, right? The word coach. When we hear the word coach, we think about a sports coach, okay, or a business coach, or somebody who's teaching us music or whatsoever. So they are also gurus, coaches. So I just want to leave you with an insight which I got. Why do we need a guru in the first place? Why do we need a coach? One fundamental reason is we cannot see what is missing in us. Okay, we cannot see what is missing in our thought process, in our attitude. It is only the other person who can see it. Can you see the back of your head? No, right? So in the same way, we cannot see what is missing in us, just as we cannot see the back of a head. Well, we can see the back of others' head, so we can see what is missing in others. So the reason why I need a coach, we need a coach, is they can see what is missing, okay, in a thought process, in attitude, and then guide us with their awareness and wisdom. So that's the reason anybody can be my guru. So I thought I'll just leave it with that thought. Well, last not the least, now let's talk about reality, right? So there were also cases where the gurus whom I respected most, some statement has also confused me, because we look upon the guru as an embodiment of wisdom, right? So there were cases where a guru said a statement and it contradicted my school of thought, or it made me feel confused or low. So this is a time when I also realized that, well, ultimately, while I respect fully my gurus, it is finally a point of view by someone who's walking the planet. It is not the truth. So ultimately, I am also my own guru. So when I listen to a piece of wisdom, okay, I got to do my own thinking and see what works for me, and take up what contributes to me. So that's another perspective I wanted to share, that today I would not take everything on the face value of whatever my guru says. I do my own thinking and take it if it works for me, or leave that particular thought or advice, okay, if it is not serving me. So once again, happy Guru Purnima to all of you. Also the people who are watching me on YouTube, and especially commenting, because when you comment, who knows, I might learn something from my interaction. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.